I'm Kaylee, and today we will be doing Biology in a Box, Unit 2, Exercise 1A, labeled Tooth In your types. Box, you should find a container labeled Tooth Types, displaying several mounted teeth from various organisms, such as this one. Each of the tooth types represented in this box, canine, incisor, and molar, are possessed by most mammals. Examine each of these teeth, paying close attention to the shape of the root and the size of the crown, as well as the overall size. Think about the organisms from which these teeth came, and how these particular types of teeth help the animals obtain the food that they eat. Take some time to examine and think about these teeth and their functions. Incisors are the flat chisel-shaped teeth at the front of the mouth, behind the lips, that are used in biting, cutting, nibbling, and stripping. Canines are behind the incisors and are located on the cheek side of the mouth. They are cone-shaped and may even be dagger-like. They are used for seizing, piercing, and tearing. Molars have many major cusps and are located in the back of the mouth on the cheek side. Molars function in grinding and crushing. What you are looking at in this image is the upper jaw from a skull, the ventral view, meaning that you are looking at the underside of the jaw. You are looking at the jaw where the roof of the mouth is facing you. The term anterior refers to the front end of a structure, the face of the mammal, and posterior refers to the back of the structure, the back of the head in the mammal. I hope you've had fun learning about tooth types with Biology in a Box.